owner of a yoga studio, and to receive new leads for my business, I'm running some Facebook lead ads. So here I receive a lot of leads for my different branches from a single Facebook lead ad. And now here I want to manage the leads that I have received from my Facebook lead ads in my database such as Google Sheets, so that I can have all my leads data at a single place. So now here, instead of entering the details of my leads manually, I have set up an automation which automatically enters all my lead details in my Google Sheet whenever I receive a new lead through my Facebook lead ad. So here on my screen, you can see a small automation that I have set up between my Facebook lead ad and my Google Sheets using an automation software. And now in this tutorial, we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for your own business with the help of an automation software. So before we talk about this entire process step by step, let me show you that how actually it works by simply generating a test lead inside my Facebook lead ad. So here on the screen, you can see my Facebook page that I have with the name The Yoga Nest, and here I'm running some Facebook lead ad to generate new leads for my business. So here to generate the test lead, we are going to use lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as first name, last name, email, phone number and the city. So now here after entering the details, we are going to click on this continue and then submit. And it says thanks, that means we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Google Sheets, and here you can see we have successfully received a new lead detail where we have received the name, email, phone number and the city of our lead. So with this, we have successfully seen the working of this amazing automation. And now here to build this automation, we are going to access an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automations, then don't forget to use my special discount code to get a discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently Pabbly is offering the lifetime offer at a very cost-effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the Access Now, and it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first, and for that we are going to click on this Create Workflow button, and then here it is asking us to select the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add yoga studio leads to Google Sheets automatically. And for the folder, I'm going to click on this drop down menu, and here you can see the folders that I have with the different names. So in this case, I'm going to select my folder as Facebook lead ads. You can create and select it as per your requirement. And now here to create a new workflow, we're going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I receive new leads through my Facebook lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Facebook lead ads, but you can select a trigger as per your requirement. Then for the app event, we are going to select new lead instant, and then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Facebook lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired Facebook account, and then I'm going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly, as your data is secured with Pabbly. So here easily got connected because here I was already logged inside my Facebook account in the same browser. So to get easily connected, make sure you have already logged inside your Facebook account in the same browser, or else it is going to ask for your account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking for the page name and the lead gen form. So here I've already shown you that I have my page with the name the Yoga Nest. So I'm going to select the same page over here with the name the Yoga Nest. Then here it is asking for the lead gen form. So to get this lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite under lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've already created with different names. So in this case, I'm going to use my form with the name sign up form new. You can create this form as per your requirement. Alright, so we're going to select the form from the drop down. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want to capture the leads of all the forms, then you can select all lead gen forms. Alright, so now after selecting the page name and the lead gen form, we are going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, we are going to update this response format to simple because I wanted to receive the response in a simple and organized format. But if you want to receive the response in an advanced and in an array format, then you can simply keep it as advanced only. Alright, now we're going to click on the save and send test request, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button, and you can see it says your lead has been deleted. So we're going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Alright, after refreshing the window, we are going to select our page once again as the Yoga Nest. Then we are going to select the product as lead retrieval and our form as sign up form new. Then we are going to click on this preview form. Alright, so this is our lead form, and here I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the first name, I've entered the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblytunes.com. And then here for the phone number, we are going to add a random phone number. Then here we're going to add the city as Ajmer. Alright, then we're going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Facebook lead ad. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead from Facebook lead ads, then instantly I want to add that lead detail in my Google Sheets as a new row. So for that, we're going to add an action step over here. And here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheets. And for the app event, we are going to select add a new row. Then we're going to click on this connect. Again, here to build this connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, we are going to click on the sign in with Google. Here I'm going to select my desired account, and then we are going to click on this allow and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here it is asking us to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So I've already shown you that I have my spreadsheet with the name Yoga Studio Leads. So we are going to select the same spreadsheet over here. Then for the sheet, we are going to select sheet 1, and then here it is asking us to add the name, email, phone number and the city. So basically these are the fields that I've added over here in my Google Sheets. So here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes the text dynamic so that you're going to receive a new lead through a Facebook lead ad, then instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the name, we are going to map the first name first, then we are going to enter a space, and then we are going to map the last name. Here for the email address, we are going to map our lead's email address. Here we are going to map the phone number, and lastly here we are going to map the city. Alright, now here after entering all the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added a new lead detail in our Google Sheets. So let's go and check it, and you can see instantly a new lead detail has been added in our Google Sheet with all the lead details. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as Facebook lead ads and our action as Google Sheets. So that when you're going to receive a new lead for our yoga studio through Facebook lead ads, then instantly that lead details will be added in our Google Sheets as a new row. Alright, so these were the very simple steps to how to add yoga studio leads to Google Sheets automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And if you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that you can see in the description box as well. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked the video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.